What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to make a stem and leaf plot. Now let's go ahead and see what is that. The first thing is stem. Stem is the leading number. Here we have 23, the leading number is 2, 58, leading number is 5. So it goes like that. Now let's go ahead and make the table for this one. First we are going to divide this one into 2 like this. In the first column I am going to have stem. In the second one I am going to write leaf. In the stem we have to write the leading numbers. Now the leading number starting from 2 and goes up to 8. So we put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you look at 2, we have a 3 right here. So we put 3. And we don't have any 30s, we don't have any 40s. The next number is 58. So we put 5 and we already have 5. We put 8 after that. So here we put 8. And then we have 62, so 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. And the next one is 71, 71, 72, 1, 1, 2. This is 1, 1, 2. And the next one is 0, 2, 2, 2. 0, 2, 2, 2. And that's how we make a stem and leaf plot. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And there are many videos about statistics in my playlist. You can go ahead and watch it. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.